Hello, welcome to Pinktown. For today's new arrivals, we have breast cancer awareness items, starting off with these wristlets. We have different women as like the keychain, and then this is scrunched, like scrunches. And you can see this one is gold plating, butterflies, similar but in silver. Different woman, silver hardware. These are all scrunched. And in gold as well. You can easily slip them on. We have two necklaces. They are two separate necklaces. This is silver with the same lady, butterflies. They are two separate ones. And then we have the same one in gold. This is hope, and then the same butterfly lady. We have two bracelet sets for breast cancer awareness. These are glass beads with the close-up of the charms. They are 4 bracelets. And then we have the same set with pearl beads instead. They have the same charms as the other one. And 4 bracelets as well. And lastly, we have these elephant bracelet sets. These come in a set of 5 bracelets with different elephant charms. This is fuchsia with gold. Here you can see a close-up. And the other bracelet sets have the same charms as well. So here we have a silver with white pearl, also 5, and they are the same charms. And then we have the cream and gold version as well. If you see anything that you like, they will be listed in the description down below. Also, please feel free to like and subscribe so we can keep making these videos for you guys. Thank you!